Ever been in a financial pinch on a Friday evening, dreaming of a quick loan approval to save the weekend? Or maybe you're planning a spontaneous adventure and need cash fast. You look at the clock, it's 6 p.m. Does a pang of worry hit you because it's almost weekend? You wonder, does Sofi approve loans on weekends? Let's dive in and find out. Now, the world of finance can be a real maze, especially when it comes to the nitty-gritty details like loan approvals. And when you're in a tight spot, the last thing you want to do is wait around for business hours to end. So, does Sofi, that shiny new financial app promising quick cash and easy approvals, actually come through on weekends? Well, the short answer isn't as straightforward as you might hope. While Sofi is known for its speed and efficiency, the reality of weekend loan approvals is a bit more complex. Let's break it down. First off, Sofi does pride itself on its fast loan processing. They've made significant strides in automating much of the application and approval process, which means decisions can be made pretty quickly. However, automation isn't magic. There are still human checks and balances involved. Now, here's where things get interesting. While Sofi's system is designed to handle applications around the clock, the human element, especially when it comes to final approvals, might be the bottleneck on weekends. Think of it like this: the loan application is a marathon, not a sprint. You start strong with the online application, providing all your details and necessary documents. This part can definitely happen on a weekend. Sofi's automated system can then crunch the numbers, assess your creditworthiness, and give you a preliminary decision. Pretty fast, right? But then comes the human touch. Someone needs to review your application, verify your information, and give the final green light. And that's where the weekend might throw a wrench in your plans. Most financial institutions, including banks and online lenders, have reduced staffing on weekends. This means there might be a delay in getting that final approval. But don't despair just yet. There's a silver lining. Even if you don't get the final approval over the weekend, you might receive a pre-approval. This means Sofi has done its initial checks and believes you're a good candidate for a loan. While it's not the same as having cash in your hand, it's a positive sign and can speed up the process once the workweek starts. So, what can you do to increase your chances of a weekend loan approval? Well, first and foremost, make sure your application is top-notch. Complete all the required fields, provide accurate information, and upload clear documents. The smoother your application, the less time it will take for human review. Secondly, consider applying early in the week. This gives the Sofi team ample time to process your application and get it to the final approval stage before the weekend hits. And lastly, be patient. While it's tempting to want everything instantly, especially when you need money, remember that financial processes take time. So, does Sofi approve loans on weekends? It's possible, but not guaranteed. The best approach is to apply early in the week, prepare a solid application, and be ready to wait a bit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.